I'm sure you guys remember this, my good old Tatung hugger. I put it in the dining room, which is really not much of a dining room, but needed a fan here. There was a fan here. Was that? That fan's up in my closet somewhere. I don't know where. Probably in the attic. But let's get started. Here's the light. One click, you get the outer four. One click, you get the center. And one click, you get all of them. Really lights the area up. And then there's the grating. And then click it off, then you get it off. Which is, we're going to use the outer lights for the video. And here's low. And still got the original Tatung chains. There's some of them back. If you find a Tatung now, you won't find them. Very rarely you find Tatung with chains on them. But you don't find Tatung fans very often either. Well, I got lucky. And here is medium. I'll go to high. It's got a very faint wobble to it, but I'm not concerned. I don't ever use high unless it's like ridiculously hot in here. But pretty powerful. And you move papers all over. And I'll go to off. I'm not gonna do a full coast down, because then it'd probably be about 7 minutes by the time the video's over. So I'm gonna cut it off right here. So that's it for this video, and until next time.